Morning clouds are gathering around as I stand on the bridge of the river. Years have gone since I was here, and I wonder how I differ. Taxi cabs keep rolling by, and a blind man asks for change. And here I stand, a soldier in the rain. Coming home was all I thought of, seeing my family and friends. They say love knows no distance, but the longing never ends. And all along the dreams I possessed, my heart never were to blame. And here I stand, a soldier in the rain. I remember years ago, I had so many plans, and now I watch the river flow. Thomas brought me here with empty hands. So many plans, and now I watch the river flow. Thomas brought me here with empty hands. Morning clouds are gathering around, and the streets are full of reflections. The traffic light, the moon still bright, people going in different directions. I thought about why I'm here, just too hard to explain. And here I stand, a soldier in the rain.